Hello, my name is Linda Bell and I'm the Associate Dean for the Business Division at Reading Area Community College. You can choose from many different programs of study in the Business Division. We offer transfer programs, career programs, and certificate programs. Transfer programs are designed to be the first 2 years of a bachelor's degree. Students who enroll in our transfer programs should plan to transfer to a 4-year institution to complete their bachelor's degree. We offer transfer degrees for accounting, business administration, and for computer information systems in the Business Division. Each of these is a fully online degree program. Students completing these programs earn an Associate in Arts degree. Career programs prepare our students to enter the workforce after graduation while still allowing them to pursue their bachelor's degree if they choose to in the future. Our career programs include accounting, administrative office specialist, business management, computer technology, medical coding and billing specialist, medical office health record specialist, and website development. Graduates from career programs can enter the workforce in positions such as accounting clerks, administrative assistants, office managers, help desk specialists, medical coders or billers, medical office specialists, and website developers. We offer various career choices that provide unlimited opportunities for our students to take the next steps after graduation. Our graduates are highly employable and are successful in their chosen careers. Certificates are designed to prepare students for a particular occupation or area of work by focusing only on the program courses. Certificates range from 18 to 39 credits. In the Business Division, we offer credit certificates in accounting, administrative office specialist, bookkeeping accounting, business management, cyber defense, information technology proficiency, medical office health record specialist, network support specialist, and website development. Of these certificate programs, the accounting and cyber defense are unique. The accounting certificate is designed for students who have already earned a bachelor's degree and are interested in sitting for the CPA or CMA exams. The cyber defense certificate is an accelerated online 15-month program with courses offered every 8 weeks. Industry-recognized credentials are an excellent complement to the associate's degree or credit certificate programs. Students in the Computer Technology Associate's Degree program are qualified to sit for the A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, and Help Desk Support Center Analyst certification exams. Cyber Defense Certificate students are qualified to sit for the Security Plus certification exam, with the exam's cost paid for by a local organization. Students enrolled in the Medical Coding and Billing Specialist Associate's degree can sit for the CCS, Certified Coding Specialist, or CPC, Certified Professional Coder examinations required to work in the hospital environment. With 3 transfer programs, 7 career programs, 9 certificates, and 4 online programs, the Business Division at Reading Area Community College offers many opportunities for you. I invite you to explore our programs of study. If you have questions or would like to talk more about any of these programs, please contact me at lbell@racc.edu. I look forward to speaking with you.